Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello all, welcome to PHN Technology Private Limited. In this session, we are going to learn about Goto keyword. In previous lecture, we have learned about break, continue keyword. Now, we are going to see what is Goto keyword. Okay. Now, let's see the code of this Goto keyword. Right. So, here, this is the previous code of my continue, right? Now, I don't want a condition over here. I just want that if the box is filled, that is in the number of, the limit of the box is what? 5, which was same in the break, right? Now, if the box is I is equal to 5, then out of space here. Okay. Now, here I will write out of space. And then here I have to write what? Goto keyword. Now that I have written it, I have saved the code, but still you can see there is a red line, means that it is giving me an error. What is this error? Now, in Goto keyword, what happens, there are two types of syntax. First is like this, means first you write that label where to go and then go to label. And second is you can write below it also, wherever you like. Why this label is used? In Goto keyword, the keyword itself says that go to, means go to somewhere. Where to go? Wherever I am specifying, there go in the complete program. Let's see here what it exactly means. Means here let's write label. Okay, let's write label, and here I am specifying label. The syntax of label is label and then colon. Let's say this. Now am I getting the error over there? No, because my Goto keyword is now completed. Label is what? Label is nothing but an identifier. Okay, and this label should be used while using your Goto. Now, what is it giving? The moment, the logic of your program is the moment the box gets filled, means the moment there is 5 number of bottles are filled over there. Now, go to label means I am going out of space, so go to label. But in label, what is giving? Again, enter the number of bottles to be filled. Right. So the redirection of this Goto will go to that label which I have specified above, because there it is what going, go to label. So it will move the redirection to label. So let's see the output over here. Wait for it. See, let's say 10. See, what is happening here? 0 to 5, it is printing, but the moment it is 5, now it is out of space. And now it is, because it is out of space, it will go the redirection, it will give the redirection to the label. And what is written in the label? Enter the number of bottles to be filled. So that's what is getting printed, means the loop is continuing. Here let's write again 8. Again out of space, and here number, again enter number. Let's write here 4. Now there is no 5, right? Now my complete program is ended, means the output is ended, because there wasn't any 5, and because it wasn't any 5, the if condition wasn't satisfied, and hence there wasn't any redirection for the Goto, and so it continued the loop as per it requires till the 4th element, and then printed it. So let's see this example through my example over here. Now here you can see there is one, right? So now I know that this box will accumulate how many bottles? 5 bottles, right? So now 5 bottles will go inside the box like this. Now the moment the box is filled, what was happening in my code? It was again asking me the number of bottles. Means again a box will appear and there again number of bottles will get filled. Now let's say I have 9 bottles. 9 bottles. I have specified 9 over there. So here I have accumulated 5. Then 5 again I am asking the number. That means that again a box has appeared, right? So here I only want 4 bottles. Now I have entered the number of bottles to be filled as 4. So here 4 bottles will get filled. So now 4 is my limit, that is I have specified it, so it is filled. Now but my base is what? 5. So here the 1 space is remaining. So now will the again one box will appear? No. Right? So this is what your Goto keyword is. Now you will get confused that what is then basically difference between break, continue and Goto. Now break was doing what? It was directly terminating the loop. Continue was, it was moving the redirection from the beginning of the loop. Whereas in Goto what happens? It satisfies the condition, but it again redirect the loop wherever the key identifier, that is here it was label, is initialized. So in loop you are satisfying the loop condition, but as well as if you want to code, if you want to again start a new something, or you want to add a new program to it, means here printf wasn't in between the for loop, but still I was able to access that. Even if it was not in the for loop, but I was accessing that because of what? My Goto keyword. So in programs, if you, other than your loop, if you want to redirect your access which is outside the loop, then you can use this Goto keyword. Now remember, there is a very disadvantage of your Goto keyword, and that is Goto keyword makes your code very complex. Right? So it is preferable that Goto keyword should not be used because it is complex for the compiler also as well as for the user also, for the programmer also, and hence we should not use actually the Goto keyword. But this was the working how the Goto keyword is used. If at all you want to use it, this is how you can use it in your code. And this was the basic difference between break, continue and Goto keywords. Okay, so this ended your session of all the keywords. This is the end of the series of learning the 3 keywords. Okay, so for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.